Hey, welcome back to the channel. So for today's video, it's going to be Season 2, Game 1 for Mamba 4. So we're playing Riviera couples. So first hole, and so same pa din. Last season, we won Game 7 by 2-1. So same teammates. Pero for hole number 1, we're playing couples. I think they're still asking for plus. Ayan, si Sam and Allen, plus teammate ko si Robert. Ang plus pa rin nila since we won the last season. Ang plus nila would be 4 holes sa front 9, then 3 holes sa back. Tapos additional plus pa daw nila, they'll be playing the front piece. So, bahala na si Batman kung paano namin gagawin ito ni Robert. Pero we're just here to enjoy. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Or at least comment if you think yung plus nila is fair. Pero the last time kasi we won na 4-3 yung plus nila. So, let's see ngayon kung Season 2. Tapos may additional plus sila ngayon na they're getting the white piece. Which is a huge advantage. Kasi that's at least 40 yards dito pa lang sa hole number 1. For Season 2, Game 1, my teammate, Luca
Kyrie
against ayan, si Sam and Allen. Oo nga eh. Yan, si Allen. Good morning, brother. Good luck. Good luck, good luck. Are you statement, Ben, or are you asking me? Good morning, brother. Good luck, good luck. Ayan, teammates ulit sila. Good luck naman talaga parati. Tapos ang aming mga caddy, Ate Malu. Ate Malu ang aking caddy. Ayan, sa aming caddy, mga caddy. Sino ang caddy ni Mr. Rapadas? Ano pangalan mo, ate?
Mitch po.
Ate Mitch. Tapos ang aming mga kalaban. Ang kalaban talaga. Si ate, 352. Ano pangalan mo, ate? Hi kayo mga kayo. Angel and Helen. Ayan, okay. Two-man scramble tayo today. Starting the match. Allen and Sam, ayan na, hindi na nahiya, talagang pinandigan nila yung white. Okay lang, ganda, Ugs.
Shot.
Ito may nyug ba, ate?
Apo.
Ito may red stick?
Oo.
Yung akin, lumampas ng card. And Allen, 110 yards. Patong.
beautiful.
May plus pa yan.
Beautiful.
May plus pa yan. Okay lang. Para mag-adjust na.
Ay, bola.
Okay, ganda, patong naman na si Sam. We are taking my tee shot. Little right lang of the fairway. Left with 100 yards. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Shot.
Yun, ilan yards dito? Up, okay lang. Okay. Both teams spotting for birdie. We are 11 paces. Mukhang it's right to left. Huwag mo i-shoot. That's good, Sam. Okay. Okay. Allen for birdie. Mahina. That's good, that's good.
Kulang. Sampater, sir. Sampater.
Parang dun sa nakikita niyo yung itim sa kanan.
Pwede.
Parang ganun kalaki, ano?
Oo. Pasok.
Ay! Sayang, sayang. Number 5. Tapos number 7 at saka 8. Tapos sa back, may plus sila sa 11, 12, 15. Laki, di ba? Ang dami nilang plus, di ba?
4-3.
Tapos sa puti pa sila.
Wala eh.
Tsaka mahirap yun ate sa...
Safe. May puno. Oh, sa may puno.
Donation ang nangyari dyan. 260 plus pa. Okay. OB. Hazard yata si Allen. Kami we're still left with 270. Pero course management. Kakaliwayan,
May
Ugs.
marker ba kayo?
Yeah, okay lang yan.
Kumanan. Target ko yung kaliwa.
Dito sa Nyug, di ba?
Opo. Yung bahay, kaliwa ng bahay. Shot.
Thank you. Thank you, survey. Sam. Safe din, fairway din. Okay, we're taking my second shot.
We're almost gonna take your shot.
We're left with 86 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Standard.
Tapos andyan sa harap sila Allen. I think they're around 70 yards to the flag.
Shot.
Usay, pare.
Pasok mo na.
Mr. Rapadas with the sand wedge. Okay lang, brother. It's okay. Sam and Allen around 70 yards na lang siguro to the flag.
Ellen, malit lang.
Short. Hina. And both teams spotting for birdie. Just off the fringe si Allen and si Sam. Kami left to right. Aiming for that patch of dark green na whatever tawag dyan. Okay. Old hole ba yan? Dating butas ba yan? Okay. Mahina. Ay, ang bilis pala nun ah. Okay na yan, Len? Good putt. Binigyan ng chance talaga.
Wala naman pag ganun kalaki.
Okay. We have this putt to go one up. The one partner. Balik.
Ganda
Go!
Ang ganda.
Hindi ganun kabagal. Lakas yata.
Yun, sakto. Uy, lakas.
Okay. Ano bigay mo, Ate Mitch? Lilabas mo?
Right edge ko.
Right edge yan. Lakas. Napitik. Napitik.
Hagod lang, hagod.
Hindi bumali. Pwede right inside. No? Alan and Sam up one. Pero straight up yun. Wala sa plus yun. We just really missed our putt. Terrible. Fairway sila.
Shot.
Nice one, baby.
Yun, doon sa may...
May card side.
Oo.
Sam and Alan 90 yards to the flag. Against the fan.
Oh, okay lang.
Bite. Sobra. Okay. Sam 90 yards to the flag. Sobrang kaliwa.
Kaliwa! Aling niyog ba sinabi mo?
Tama naman yung inim. Okay, we are still 85 yards to the flag. Konting kaliwa aim ugsa. Hitting a 60-degree wedge. Slightly against the fan. Lakas lang.
Ayun, lakas.
Lakas. Sobra.
Shot.
Lakas din. Babait din.
lang.
Both teams just outside of the green, both for birdie. This is to go up and down for their par. Kami 11 paces. Pat na rin natin to, ate.
Pat tayo, pat.
Maganda naman yung ano, lay. Tigas ng green, oh.
Tug-tug.
Okay. Aim ni Ate Mitch, right to left. Ayun, Ugs.
Okay.
Pwede. Thank you, ate. Lakas. Okay, this is to win the hole. Baba. Bigay mo na. I-shoot mo na! Birthday! Okay. All square. All square, baby. Nice spot, brother.
Yes, sir.
Galing. Ganda ng pili niya. Ang bilis, ano? Ang bilis ng green. Oh, ate. Hole number 4. Meron plus si Allen and Sam dito. We are currently all square because of that very clutch putt by my partner. Naku, the leaks. Laglag. Oh, laglag.
Shot. Left. Kaliwa mo.
How to be you?
Okay. Safe. Doon sa may buko. Sa may buko.
ang aim ko yung antena.
Layo eh.
Pressure on Sam. Kasi si Allen went to the hazard sa right. Clutch naman to si Sam eh. Nice shot. Okay, they get the pop here. Okay, they are left with 150 yards. Taking Sam's tee shot. Kanan lang. Bunker mo na. Bunker. Bunker. Okay, taking my tee shot. We are left with 130 yards to the flag. I am hitting a pitching wedge. Sige, gulong mo. Papatong yan. Patong. Patong, brother. Ay, sobrang kanan. Alam ko ng kakanan, kulang aim ko sa kabila.
May over na bangka.
Okay, Sam and Allen to go up and down for a par to make birdie sila dito eh. Because of the plus. Siguro around 20 yards to the flag. Nice out. Ay, short lang. Hinahin ng break. Lakas lang. Okay, we have this spot. We're taking Robert's second shot. We are putting for birdie. Kung G's, mga -2.
Oo, baba to.
Oo. Malaki yan, Ugs eh. Oo, malaki.
Dali ah.
Kung lalaylay mo nga yung putt, hindi, malakas ka naman mag-putt eh. So, pwede na yan. I mean, firm ka mag-putt. Sakto, Ugi, isa pa. Birdie mo ulit. Birdie mo ulit, baby! Woo! What a putt by my partner! What a putt! Okay, what a putt! What a putt! Luka! Allen and Sam to half the hole. Pasok din! Ay, lakas.
Hindi na naman.
What a clutch putt by my partner. We are now currently 1 up. Hole number 5 is a par 4. 418 yards for our team kasi blue tees. Sila Allen 380. Yun, kanan mo pa. Hazard mo pa. Hazard mo. Parang Delix. Yun. Okay lang, okay lang, okay lang. Balik mo lang, balik mo lang, balik mo lang. Huwag ka lang mag ano. Okay lang, at least playable, brother. Wow. Nice shot. Okay, Alan and Sam, they are left with 125 yards to the flag. The flag front pin. Okay. This is for their second shot. That's Sam's second shot. Sam's drive pala. Patong. Okay, putting for birdie. They are also putting for birdie. We are taking my drive. We are still left with 83 yards to the flag. Slightly wind the wind. Ah, paki. Okay. Kaliwa ba yan, ate? Kanan? Konting kanan? Kaliwa, left, right yan. Ay, na ano, cast.
Go!
Landed short. Akala ko with the wind. Ah, halos. Halos diretso lang. Diretso bigay mo, Ate Mitch eh. So diretso. Eh, shoot na naman. Oh, bilis nga ah. Hindi ganun kabagal. Kahit uphill.
Stop.
Oh, bilis ah. Okay, kuha nila. Okay, kung tinitake na. Okay na. Kuha nyo na. All square. Par kayo eh. Par to make birdie. Ito par to par. So birdie kayo. Dahil sa plus. Okay, all square. Okay na ate. Okay. Hole number 6. Playing 172 yards. We are currently all square. Sila Alan and Sam got that hole because of their plus. So they made par. Net bogey. Net birdie. Kami, we made par. Sam and Alan. Ito, laking advantage na nila. 30 yards. 146. Tapos with the wind pa. Malamang parang pitching wedge lang to dapat. Or 9 iron sa white tee. Feel yung putt.
Mas maganda over. Mas maganda serve sa kasi
Over.
backpin eh.
Naku, ganda nung kay Sam. Yun, buti lagpas. Pero matalbog yun. Pero matulis kasi mga tira nila.
Shot. Kaliwa. Kaliwa mo. Sobrang ano sa kanan.
Ganda na ako naka-aim kasi pinapadraw ko. Okay, they just went off the green. They took Sam's tee shot. Okay. Alan. To win the hole again. Maganda, Ugi. Ang ganda na naman. Ang ganda. Uy, malakas ah. Oh, sakto. Hindi, malakas lang talaga. Malakas din yata. Wala, konti oh. Hindi masabi.
Dosing
ang bilis. Ang lakas ng putt ko. Alan and Sam for par. Ang hina. Sobrang alalay.
Sobrang bilis.
Okay na yan?
Hindi mabilis.
Lakas ng loob ah. Lakas ng loob nun ah. Nice spot, nice spot. Must make tayo ugsa. Ano?
Sir, sa bola.
Isang bola sa kanan. Uphill na tayo. Kuha. Okay, nice spot. Buti na lang. Galing magpat ng partner ko. Nice spot, brother. Nice one, Ugi. Nice spot, brother. Okay, all square pa rin. Okay, what a good putt by my partner again. We are currently all square. Nice putt, Ugs. Okay, hole number 7. Ganda. Ayan na. From the white tees, it's 492 yards. They get a plus here. They get a pop. Eh, di nila birdie kasi ni Robert. Nag-up tuloy tayo. Wow! Ayan na. Di pa sumabit, sayang. Nice shot, Sam. Shot, Len. Yun! Ang ganda niyan, Ugi. Huwag ka lang sasabit. Huwag ka lang sasabit. Hindi, okay yan. Okay, baba. Ay, sayang. Katabi lang ng bunker, tama ba?
Hindi,
O
unahan
sa
pa.
likod doon? Ah, nice shot, Ugi. Tawid mo lang.
Hoy!
Ay! Hindi nag-fade. Sam and Allen, mga 230 yards pa to the flag. Medyo na-top pero okay lang. Fairway si Allen. May plus sila dito. Hazard. Hazard. Yay! Oh. Ah, OB pala, hindi pala hazard. Okay. Pero safe na si Allen eh. We are taking my tee shot. We need to slightly draw the golf ball. Mga 220 yards to the flag. This tree might be a little be in play.
Yan. Okay lang.
Tama na. Huwag ka magbabangka. Okay. Huwag kang aabot.
Hindi umabot.
Allen with 105 yards. This is their third shot. Galing ng pa-fade ah. 41 yards to the flag. So mga tirang 30. No? Left to right, isang pin. Ah, right to left yan? Ah, okay. Okay lang. Maganda nga eh. Huwag ka lang kumali. Tama na.
Diyan ka na lang.
Tama na. Ang bilis.
Husay. Galing mo naman, Luigi.
Ay, mali ang sipa. Tama na.
Sam and Allen. Regulation. Up and down for a par. Ano to? Par to make birdie sila. Because of the plus na naman. Dapat.
Ganda.
Ganda naman yan.
Ganda. Pasok mo na. Pasok mo na.
Papat na natin. May plus na sila dyan eh. Kahit halos sure na yun eh. Kasi must make tayo dyan. Pag, pag biniv natin, must make tayo to stay all square. Okay. Must make, Ugs. 5 paces tayo. Left to right. Give naman na eh. Pinat mo pa. Okay. Must make tayo to win the hole. Ay, to half the hole.
Go, Mitch.
Lakas lang. Oh, gusto lang pala.
Wow.
Hey, that was a clutch putt. I was able to make it. We are all square. Hole number 8. Wow. Wow! Grabe naman yun. Nice shot. Grabe advantage nila. They're already putting for birdie. It's playing 200 yards against the wind. I am hitting a hybrid. Ganda! Patong mo na, brother. Against the wind kasi. Okay lang. At least safe. Good shot, brother.
Nako.
4, Sam.
Hoy! Nako, tumama pa.
We are taking Robert's tee shot. Mine went out of bounds. 24 yards to the flag. Diyan din ang bagsak? Okay, for birdie, si Allen. Malakas kanan. Bite. Tama na.
Nice one. Shoot mo na.
Uy.
Nice one. May kasunod na ha.
Tagal nyo eh. Alam ko lang ganun eh.
Uy, criminal. Ano bigay mo?
To have the hole. Yeah, 1 up baby. 1 up, 1 up. Galing na strategy ni Ate Mitch, kadi ni Robert. Sabi niya right inside, pero left talaga. So ako nag left inside, sila lahat nag right. Okay, 1 up kami. Hole number 9, 394 yards. Sa kaliwa nga pala to. Okay. Okay. They get a pop here sa hole number 9. Kasi ito yung last 4 strokes nila sa front. Tapos they get 3 strokes sa back 9. Ay, sa strategy Kuya Ate Mitch. Effective. Nagminti sila, bogey pa sila.
Sana kumuha ka na rin ng iyo.
Good shot. Okay lang. Okay lang yan. Ang aim natin ate itong white stick na to, diba?
Apo.
Okay lang. Okay lang. Sa pumunta.
Kanan po, sir.
Yung puno
Super kanan.
Oo, sir.
Sa may puno na sa...
Kanan ng ano?
yung white stick na
Kanan
yan.
ng white stick.
Yan. Kaliwa lang ng puno.
Sam and Alan around 100 120 yards siguro siya. Okay. Taking my tee shot, we're left with 120 yards to the flag. So that means sila Alan and Sam mga 140 siguro to the flag. I might be hitting a 50-degree wedge. May plus sila dito, kanan ng patong. Good shot, Sam. Okay, they're on the green. Right side of the green. Yeah. Ganda, Ugi! Maganda
Shot.
yan! Dikit mo, baby! I-dikit mo! I-shoot mo na!
Pasok mo na! Yes!
Ay! Good shot, brother! Dumaan sa ano? Sa butas!
Yun.
Mabait yan.
Tama na. Ang lakas.
Okay. Sam and Alan for birdie to make eagle. Ganun kahirap ang ginagawa namin. Ay, wag nang give yan. Nagmimintis pa yan. Alan to outright win the hole. Ay, hindi pala. Because of the plus. Eagle. A birdie to make eagle. Maganda. Pasok. Malakas din. Bilis pala nun. Okay. Okay, for birdie. Kaliwa. Nagsimula agad sa kaliwa. Sayang, mahina. This is to win the hole. To get the match all square ulit. This is par to make birdie. Good putt. Okay, back to all square. Good putt, ha, Allen.
Thanks.
Good putt. What a clutch putt by Allen. They are now, we are all back to all square. White tees playing 295 yards. Dog leg right. Ako nag-lead sa right, parang delikado. Parang hazard. Pumunta dyan. Ganda, Ugi! Huwag ka lang aabot sa bunker. Oh, parang carry yan. Naku, ramdam ko nag-over the top.
Par!
What a beautiful shot by my partner. We're left with 90 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge. Sam and Allen closer to the hole. Mga 50 yards sila to the flag. Tumira na si Allen. Okay, we are left with 90 yards. Kaunting kaliwa to Mitch, ano? Ganda ulit. Babite mo lang. I-bite mo lang. Bite mo please. Bite.
Malakas talaga.
Oh, malakas.
Hindi yata.
Dry.
Yan.
Short, go!
Okay lang. Shot.
For a shot.
Thank you. Allen and Sam to go up and down for par. Unfortunately, sumobra si Allen. Tapos ito na si Sam. Ganda. Okay, that is for their par. Okay, we have this birdie putt. Ham and egg. 10 paces left to right. Sun grip left to right. +1. Pasok. Birdie na naman. Ay, malakas lang ng konti. Napitik lang.
Pinulang naman sa lakas.
Okay, this is for their par. Tapos na si Sam. So if they miss this, we have this putt to win one up. Mahina. That's good. Okay, we have this putt to go one up, Ugs. Pwedeng left edge or pwedeng left inside. Okay. Pasok, alam na this. At couple signature hole, par 5, 514 yards. We are currently one up in the round. Nandyan ate nakabilog. Meron silang plus dito. 11, 12. Tapos isa pa 11, 12, 15 ang plus nila. Ganda sa mga caddy.
Pangit?
Hindi, sa mga caddy, linya ng caddy.
Ay, diabot.
Shot.
Nice one. Buti lang, hindi nag-drop. Yun!
Okay, gitna.
Okay. Get a ball in two, brother. Get a ball in two. Taking my tee shot. We are still left with 200 yards to the flag.
Bola pala yung
It's slightly downwind. So I'm thinking if strategy, kung safe na si Robert, I will go for it. May plus ulit si Sam and Allen dito. Okay, safe. I can go for it. Okay, nice shot. What? Nice shot. Allen, Sam and Allen to go up and down for a birdie. Kanan lang. Pero may plus sila dito.
Uy, bad bounce pa. Dalawa naman.
Over mo. Over mo pa.
Obi mo na.
Matalbog na
40.
50 to the flag so matigas yung green.
45.
Uy!
Parang balik na yun.
Okay. We are 50 yards to the flag. I don't know what type of shot I will do. Go. Okay lang.
Go! Get!
Very nice shot, BG.
Baba.
Good nippy. Okay, that's for birdie. They have that long putt for birdie. Kami rin for birdie. Pero meron silang plus dito sa butas na to. At least makeable yung amin. Okay, laylay yung kay Allen.
Hindi, pero pag umabot ka dito, iba yung takbo.
Thank you, ate.
Ilang steps yan? Ang ganda. Dito 9 eh. Yung mga 8 to. Pero gawin mo lang 9. Sakto lang naman eh.
Wala, lalaylay.
Hindi, sakto yan. Kasi hindi ka na.
Ang bilis oh! Grabe, ang bilis! Lagpas pa! Sam and Allen for par to make birdie. This is to force us to make our putt.
Pasok mo!
Nice putt. Good par. Okay, must make
Pating ano kay Jambird?
bird. Pag na-shoot namin, half.
May plus pala kami, no?
Oh, pag na-shoot namin, half. So, 1 up pa rin.
Mas mayroon pa kami isang ano dun, ha? 4-4 na.
Daya. Pupunta na kami sa silver. Kayo pa nahirapan ha. Kuha. Nice spot! Nice spot, Ugi! Okay, still 1 up. Buti lang. Buti na lang, Luka. Ay, okay. What a clutch putt by Allen. So with that putt, they made par to make birdie. Kami we made birdie because of Ugi's putt. So hole number 12, we are still currently 1 up. Yan, so Allen and Sam. And the hole turns a little left. Ganda. Ganda. Okay na yan. Fairway. Kick right. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Okay. Ay! Parang umabot. Parang umabot, ano?
Shot. Kanan mo. Kanan mo. Okay, kumanan.
Okay, sa may red stick, ano?
Opo, sumingit.
Oo, buti na lang. Sam and Allen, second shot. They are taking Sam's tee shot. They are around 120 yards to the flag. Ganda. Parang short. Good shot, Sam. Nice shot. Okay, they were left with 120 yards. Nice shot by Sam. Ang patong. May plus yata sila sa butas na to. Ganda ulit. Ay, bitin lang. Okay lang, okay lang. Okay, we are left with 90 yards. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Shot. Kaliwa lang. Kanan mo.
Sam and Allen in regulation for birdie. Pero may plus na naman sila dito. Mukhang sa kanila itong butas na to. Kami 13 paces for birdie. Taking Ugi's tee shot. Ay, ano pala? Second shot. Nadala lang dyan. For birdie. Ang bilis ng green.
Ang lakas. Oh. Ang laptop. Akin yan.
Okay, par sila. We need to make it for the win. Oo, may plus sila dito. Eh, nakuha ulit. Nakuha ulit ni Ugi! Ganda ng putt. Bakit?
Kahan to. Wala na.
Because of their plus, they won that whole par to make birdie. So we are now back to all square. We are playing 405 yards of blue tees. So white 40 yards on difference, 365 yards. Dog leg right. Si Sam. Gitnang gitna. Sayang.
A shot. Diyan, over yan, sir. Oh, over.
Okay, shortcut.
A shot.
Sam and Allen around 140 yards to the flag. They are taking Sam's tee shot. Ganda. Ganda sa alin?
Sabi ko, pagluto kaya.
Wow. Wag, di masarap.
Ayos rin.
Ay, shot.
Takot siya eh.
Buti maganda si Alin.
Ganda?
Kanan.
Oy.
Before.
Nandun ka naman.
Left with 90 yards to the flag. Kaliwa ba yan? O diretso na?
Konting kaliwa.
Konting kaliwa. Okay, left to right. Hitting a full 60-degree wedge.
Nice one. Bite niya.
Sobra lang. Both teams spotting for birdie. Sam and Allen. Medyo mas malayo. Yan. Both for birdie. Parang mahina. Ang bilis ah.
Anong binigay mo doon?
Ang bilis. More short na short eh. Maganda yung pace niyan.
Ganda yan.
Maganda yung speed.
Maganda yan. Bali. Oy.
Mahina lang. That's good, Sam.
Ano rin yung marker?
Good par. Okay, to win the hole. To go one up. 9 paces, Ugs. 9 paces. Ay, kulang. Lakas. Ay, kulang din. To half the hole. Diretso na. For par.
Ay.
May kaliwa. Left to right. Okay, hole number 14. They are now currently one up. I think Allen and Sam are already on the green. Okay, we need to make this on the green. Ganda. Hole in one muna. Hole in one muna para wala ng ano, pakain. Oh, nice shot, brother. Patong.
Thank you.
4! Offline lang. Ayun, short.
Tama eh. Okay, Sam and Allen also putting for birdie. Ang ganda ng mga ano nila. Oh, buti na lang, muntik pa. Muntik pa. 10 paces, Ugs. Okay. Ang bilis ng green, ah. Lagpas pa, oh.
Yung sa'yo, ano eh.
Okay, we have this spot to win the hole to get the match back to all square.
Kulang allowance. Go! Go!
Part 3 naman to eh, no?
Hole number 15, we were able to half that hole. 434 yards sa blue tees. Tapos sa white, 376. Hindi na nahiya talaga. Ay nako, hirap. Okay, dog leg. Left. Come on. Yun! Ang ganda yan, Ugi. Taas lang pero malayo. Okay na yan. Very playable. Gitnang gitna, Ugs. Gitnang gitna.
Shot.
Nice shot. Beautiful. 125. Patong pa rin yata. Taking my tee shot. We are left with 120 yards to the flag. No wind. Hitting a full 56 degree wedge. Ay nako. Okay lang brother, okay lang.
Shot. Diyan ka lang. Tama na.
Nice step. Hindi mo lamang pa sila. Okay, sayang di ko nakuha. That is for their par to make birdie. Kasi may plus ulit sila dito. They're just outside of the green. We are putting for birdie. 10 paces. Kanan to ate, diba? Double break. Pero kanan pa rin.
Malaki sa kanan niya.
Malaki sa kanan. Ganda yan. Ganda niyan. Pumasok.
Samuel.
Mabilis. Nice shot, Sam. Good try. Okay. Must make na naman tayo dito. Must make. Kasi if they make it, par to make birdie sila eh. Tayo, birdie. Ganyan kalaki ah. Ganun ka side nila. Doon pala. Yun. Iba pa pala yung tinitingnan ko. -2. 8. Baba mo. Grabe, bilis. Parang hindi aabot, no? Ang bilis.
Kala hindi aabot.
Parang hindi aabot. Bilis. Okay, to win the hole. To win the hole. Okay, 2 down.
2 down tayo.
2 down. Good putt. Okay, 2 down. Ay! Ito na. Nakuha nila sa plus. At least dito straight up na. Boost na ang kanilang plus for the round. Last 3 holes pero they are 2 up. So, if mag all square dito, dormi na kami. Pero if manalo sila Sam, tapos na. If they get this hole, panalo na. If we win it, then may chance pa kami. Okay, hole number 16. This is par 5, 518 yards. Dog leg right. Tapos for Sam and Allen, it's 488 yards. So meron silang 30 yard advantage. Pero 2 down. Come on. Grupo-grupo lang. Ganda eh. Gitnang-gitna. Ako, duck hook. Okay lang, brother.
Nice one.
Kaliwa mo.
Ay! Parang bunker. Laki ng cut. Okay, we need to take our medicine. Too much cut. Ang nangyari sa aking tita. Punch out lang kami. Okay lang. 60? Doon sa punong yan, no? Yung minyog?
Opo. Kahit mga 70 yards.
70. Naka-record mo. Ay, kumaliwa. Nagkaliwa bounce. Yun, okay lang. May angulo. Okay.
Yeah.
We are left with 140 yards to the flag, going for it for the third shot using Allen's second shot. Kanan lang. Safe na safe. Oh, what the? Safe mo lang. Safe yan.
Yung buko, sir.
Safe?
Baka bunker yan, sir.
Safe ba?
Safe yan, sir.
Basta safe yun. Okay. We're left with 145 yards to the flag. To go for the pin, it's between that red stick and that tree. So, coconut tree. So, hitting a 9 iron. Sobrang
Kaliwa, Mitch!
Alam ko nang kakaliwa eh. Di ba? Sinabi ko na.
Patong
Yun!
daw.
Woo! Patong! Okay. Okay, Sam and Allen. This is to go up and down for a par. Tama ba? O tama, up and down for a par. Kami, we are putting for birdie. Sam gang. Malakas. Ay, gago. Okay, butal lang bumait. Sila pa. 9 paces for birdie. Buti na lang pumatong yung tira namin. Ano tingnan nyo, Mitch? Left to right? Uphill, downhill ba yan? Pero against the green, no?
Side lang, sir. Side hill lang.
Sa dating butas. Kaliwa pa ng dating butas tingin ko. Wow, buti na di shoot. For bogey yan. Bigay na natin. Okay na yan. Bogey na yan. Bogey yan, di ba? Oh. Yun, okay. 2 putts. 2 putts tayo to win the hole. Malakas lang. Okay na yan.
Go, pasok mo!
Okay, hole 17. We are now just 1 down. Playing 154 yards. Ay, buti na napat namin yan. 154. Front pin. Hole in 1. Ganda. Patong. Clutch. Uy, sobra.
Sobra na bola.
Bola? Sobra pala yun. Bunker.
Wala. Yan din.
Kaliwa.
Lang dapat.
We have a chance. Si Allen went over. Si Sam also.
Ay, kaliwa.
It's okay, brother.
Yan.
Ay, maganda ubi.
Nice one, Luigi.
All-in one muna.
Boom!
Wow! Baba! Baba ka, baba!
Nice shot. Dumikit ang aming tira ni partner.
Nice shot, Luigi.
Thank you, brother. Ay, dikit. Pwedeng gimme na to eh. Ayaw pa rin bigay. Okay. This is Allen and Sam's up and down for par.
Ay, umabot ka. Umabot ka.
Ay, tumigil. Sam to go up and down for par.
Nice.
Maganda.
Go! Uy! Go!
Dadagpas. May chance! Ah, layo oh. Wala ka na magagawa dun, Sam eh. Binigay na nila sa amin. That's for par. We are now all square. 18 last hole. We're down. We're both all square. Whoever wins the hole wins the match or tie. Hole 18. Kailangan namin itong panalunan. Or kahit matalo okay lang. Para wala nang dagdag sa plus. Draw.
Uy,
Nag-draw ba?
kanan!
Parang hindi nag-draw.
Dito kayo sa bunker sa ano.
OB.
Hindi, hazard lang po.
Hazard. Naku, patay. Naku, patay.
Uy, kaliwa. Kaliwa mo.
Bounce. Uy,
Naku,
lumabas.
hazard.
Ay, sayang. Parehas kami nag-hazard ni Robert. Nag-open yung t-shot ko. Nag-choke ako dun ah. Choker. Ay. Sana makita na lang sa red stick. Playable naman yun. Ay, kabig.
Maliwa naman.
Na-pull eh.
Ganda ng kuha.
Safe yan? Bunker. Okay.
Ganda. Wala, okay lang.
Okay, short lang si Allen. Right off the green. Okay. Behind. Okay, they were left with 130 yards. That is their patong pala for birdie. Matalbog ah. Okay, patong sila, pating bird. Unfortunately, we needed to take a drop 130 yards to the flag. Hitting a full 50 degrees. We need to stick it close kasi playing 3 na kami. Sila putting for birdie.
Turn left.
Thank you. Patong naman yata. Kaya at least pating par tayo doon. May chance. Ay, kaliwa. Huwag ka lang mag-bunker. Oh, at least patong pa rin. Okay. Alan and Sam for birdie to win the match. Straight up. Ay, kami, we are putting for par. Buti lang, almost napatong ko 8 paces.
Regular.
Anong bilang mo, Len?
8, pero 7. Mabilis daw sa regular.
Anong binigay mo?
7.
Sa allowance yung tinatanong mong binigay mo.
Bumukha!
Ang bilis.
Tulin.
Ganda.
Takbo, balik.
Amnahoy!
Ang bilis. May chance pa tayo, Ugi. May chance pa tayo. May chance pa tayo. Mas make. Okay, okay. Bahala sila. Okay. Kung 8, tirang 5. Bawas pa. Firm na 4.
Ganun na mga pag 8, 5.
Bali mo. Malakas lang. Mabilis talaga. Okay, mabilis.
Tama na. Lumaylay naman ang tuhod. Yan, tama na.
Sam to win the match. To win the match! Okay, to win the match.
Malakas?
Okay, Allen to win the match. For par. Oy, may chance pa mag-all square. Okay, 3-3. Okay, Ugs. Kanina pa tayo nagbimintis ng ganito eh. Okay. 2 half. Para to all square ang round. Come on, Ugi. Come on, partner. You can do it. Firm the right inside. Bigay mo. Left yan? Okay, left inside. Firm. Uy! Hindi, bumalik sa ano? Bumalik. Tama yung basa mo, pasok na, tapos biglang kumaliwa. So, pwedeng right center na. Hindi, may tinalbugan dito. May tinalbugan sa dito. Pasok na. Choke. Ito na.
Diretsuhin nyo na, sir.
Tama yung linya mo, pasok na eh. Bigla siyang lumihis sa dulo.
Walang kaduda-duda.
Thanks, man. Okay, all square. 3-3. 3-3 ang ating round. Okay, nice one, Ugi.
Nice one,
Nice one, Luka. Woo! Grabe yun. Good round, brothers. Okay. Sungit. Good round, brother. All square. So, 3-3 na?
3-3. All square mo eh. 4-4 na.
4-4. Good round, partner.
Nice game.
Whew, grabe. Sino ba to? Si Mitch o Ate Malu?
Mitch po.
Ate Mitch.
Sir, thank you ah.
Thank you, Ate Mitch. Oh, subscribe kayo. Papanoorin niyo yung laro natin.
Oh, sige.
Ate, salamat. Thank you. Ate. Thank you. Good round. Nice shot.